Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Zimbabwe 2, Bafana 3. Better performance from the guys from the past two games, right? But one thing that we always do is when the game looks easy, then we make it difficult for ourselves. Every time when we score, the game looks good. The game looks good. Siyapasa, siyadlala, kumnandi. Then all of a sudden we concede the goal. We did it against Angola and we did it yesterday against Zim. Guy 2. Now, I'm going to show you why we looked good in the first 15 minutes of the game or until Izim is a equal, right? Izim, they're not good. This team is actually worse than the one that we played for our qualifiers. I'll show you why we look good and why Tina we made things very difficult for ourselves. Show you the small details in J Slimaza in future. Hopefully we fix them. Now let's start. The first minute of the game. I always say, Guti, the first 15 minutes of the game, they tell you about the team. Izim, they can't press. You can't press Abantabai 3 with 2 men. You're not going to get the ball. You are definitely not going to get the ball. So with how we play, we need our wingers that will play as a half 10. And Uapolis does that very well. The problem is Umuremi, he doesn't like getting the ball in the middle. Ufuna ukuthola wide, bese mover phakathi nendawo. Uapolis does not mind doing that. He doesn't mind doing that, which is a good thing. When we keep the ball, Izim, they couldn't press us and they couldn't mark us. This was just the first minute of the game. La we have to score amagoli amaningi. There is another good movement from us. Just keeping the ball. They can't press. They don't know how to press. There's always, remember, I did a video with I'm a midfielder Wabo and their center backs. They can't communicate. Where I was making these runs the whole game. Keep the ball. Almost scored because we are keeping the ball. If you keep the ball, you pass and move. It's over. They're not good. This team is not as good as we think. Now here's the goal. I want you to focus on Mutiba. Mutiba makes this goal. Without his run, we don't get this goal. Without his run, remember, he doesn't have to go forward. Look at his movement. He goes forward, one touch. Pass and move. Inside. There is no team that can stop us if we pass the ball. Pass and move. Singasabu ukudlala. I'm still not helping a combination Yaga, Mukwena, no Sitol. Here's another one. The way the game looks so easy, that's the problem. It looks easy and you don't take your chances or the half chances that you create. This team couldn't press us. Bad final pass, Lapaya. But Izim Aigwazuk Maka. They can't press. One final clip of us playing the ball before a disaster if you can't press like this, Bafit. That's not good. That's not a good press. Look how simple that was. I did say ukuthi these two laba bayi-2 nalaba I know. Izim is not good pressing from the front line, right? And Futi, they are not good from building up from the back ball. So what they rely on is when they play a long ball and then you don't deal with them, that's when they get the break attacks or the counter attack. That's what they're good at because they have players aba skillful, aba skillful individual brilliance. Watch what the coaches says. Use your brain, because it's the second minute of the game. What happens is they play long. But nathi asikho mnandi. Watch ungezana, what are you doing? So we had the ball. Ibhola liwinwa yithi. Okay. Second ball, siluzile. Third ball, we don't have control of the ball. I am showing you this because the goal is similar to this first clip. Now here comes the goal. Watch our central midfielders. Utebuho made a run before this ayaphambili usakhokha umoya. Long pass. Now look at the space between our defenders and the midfielders. It's too much space. I've been complaining about Hugo Bros playing Uyaya no Mokoena. Now I understand why he doesn't want this space. He doesn't want lesser space. Let me play it and then uzoyibuyisela. 3 players. This was a beautiful goal. Now let me take it back. Now let me explain this. Right? Usithole, normally he's the one that sits. Bese kuba uMokoena opushayo. But because we can't play asikwazi ukudlala when he's playing as a 6, Uyaya, or if he's the 1 Milas Dalis. So kwenzakalani yachangwa. He was the one making the runs forward. But now because manje Uyaya uye oya phambili kwenzakalani kuba nomgodi. Because look where he is. Normally he's supposed to be here. He is the one who's supposed to do the dirty job. But Mokoena uyo ola. Okay, sharp. Remember what I said? It is similar to the first clip because we don't deal with the ball like asilwini. Siyalheda. We don't have control of the ball. It's clear. Same thing as here. You cannot, as a left back or as a full back, ibhola liyeza ulifaka phakathi nendawo. That's the first mistake. Second mistake, siyalwina futhi, you want to be stylish now, Okay, bayalithatha. Now here, this is our spine. Abantu abadlala ku spine. You cannot have one player taking on 3 players. Mokoena here, recovery yakhe slow. TLP, you have to stay on your feet. As a defender, you stay on your feet. There was no need laphaya ukuthi aguqe ashaye isiguqa ngamadolo umzekezeke. There was no need. You can't blame the keeper there. You can't blame Ungezana. But it's the small details. Noma angithi siyakhala Uyaya akakwazi ukusidlalisa. So siyamtshela ukuthi hamba uye lapha uyomaka. But what ends up happening sishiya umgodi. Even though he went there ayomaka ayopress, bamqedile. Yadliwa lokhu kini? nawe loku phakathi. Second half, guys. The substitution for Sithole, Sithole kwaphuma Sithole kwangena Aubas, right? I think that brought the calm in the team, ne? Because in the first half we played like we needed to win a game. We were rushing, we were losing the ball after scoring the goal. After Zimbabwe scored, ne? We were rushing. That's when we lost control of the game. Ne? We lost control of the game because we were rushing. Like you see, we panicked. We needed to win the game, and we didn't need to win the game to qualify. It's small details in a big team and a small team, or a great team from a good team. Now I'm going to show you when we keep the ball, the movement of our players, where Umbule should move sometimes, or Police, even Umuremi on the wide, on the left hand side. Like I said in the first clip, Zim can't press. You can't press. Abantu abayi-4, abantu abayi-2. You cannot do that. You can't do that. Yakhala umbokazi. Someone didn't make a move. Okay, sharp. Now, this was the double pivot, ne? So now, the problem here is Umuremi does not like receiving the ball here. He wants to get the ball here. You look at where Police is. He's playing as a half 10. Umbule is supposed to stay here or move into this pocket space here. If he moves here, then Umuremi can move there. But it doesn't happen. The ball goes back. Look at Umuremi. Police, not Police. Aubas was looking to play the ball there, but Umure akalfuni ibhola. Wenzani? Siyachika. It's too late, my boy. Sorry. Now look at Police. He's where? Playing as a half 10. These two, they don't know what to do. If I vumi, if I vumi, don't force it. It will come. Look what happens now. It's opened now. We play. Let's play. But now what happens? Okay, sharp. Silbu move. Keep it. Don't rush. This is what's supposed to happen. Umuremi is supposed to come here. Don't be scared. Come and fetch the ball. Umbule is far away. What happens? Umuremi is going to force the ball. In this instant, Police is supposed to move here. You can't have two people bahleli ku touchline. You can't have that. If Umudiba is here, Police is supposed to be here. You'll watch no goal. Now look, there's too much space here. Sia Foster. Look where our Police is. We end up losing the ball. I'll show you how there's a chance that we get where Police is playing as a half 10. Umudiba is there. Why? So now it's score. Now it's already 2-1. What I always say, Guti, the Southern African teams, we always do unnecessary mistake. Ikole Bafana list 2 and list 3. There was no need for those guys to do that. Unnecessary mistake. Okay, sharp. Let's go back to us keeping the ball. Let's play. Yes, keep it. You see, Umbule is where he stays in the middle. You don't have to go to Jalo Uyele up and down. Sometimes you just come here. Go to the space, the ball will go to the space. Keep it. I want you to watch Police, what he's going to do next. He comes in here as a half 10. You can't stay wide all the time. Inkinga yaka Murem, he doesn't like playing as a half 10. We almost scored. As a winger, if the modern football now, as a winger, if you are left-footed and you play on the right, as a right winger, you have to play as a half 10 sometimes. You can't jalo when ufuna ukuhlala esayidini. No, you must come and play as a half 10. When the game looks easy for us, that's when we create our own problems. Now, this is when we started but the game was easy here. Game was easy. Now, sisifake inkingeni. Where is he going? Where is he going? Ngezana uyaphi? Eish. Ngezana again. We almost conceded the goal because now the game, it was easy for us, it was flowing, but we start losing concentration. It happened against Angola, it happened twice in this game, where it came, and then we start doing stupid things. Goal number 2 for Zim. It's our ball, our bus. You cannot, Buffett, at this level, you can't pass your teammate, you can't pass a simple pass. At this level, come on, Buffett. Hey, come on, man. Eh? We lose the ball. Simple, we lose the ball. This is how they scored. From that ball. Okay? Okay. We are in the middle. We are in the middle. The first thing you are told or you are taught, if the ball comes in the air, then you head it back to MON. If you are in the middle, you head it wide. Eh? You head it wide, Lena, or you head it wide. Awulufaki phakathi nendawo. Look what wenzani Albers. Udlala ibhola phansi. Who are you? Bafethu. Sugar. Let me play it. Ngizoyibuyisa futhi. Small details. Great ball there. Great save by the keeper. On goal. Small details, Bafethu. Small details. Small details. I want you to focus. Umukwena. This is the guy that plays the true pass. Watch Umukwena. He's ball watching. Ball watching. Now sekazofuna ukupressa. It's too late. It's big. Small details, Bafethu. The big teams will punish you because of small details. Ibhola liyadlala laphaya. Umukwena, he's ball watching. Ne? Yeah, it's not his fault. I won. Sharp. But he's ball watching. Umuntu wenzani uyadrifta uya laphaya. Masekaya laphaya, he's too late. On goal. On goal. Don't do an on goal, Buffett. Please like, please subscribe, and please share. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.